Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel hosting your plan safely. So first of all, you need to go ahead to the official website, and if you want to buy a plan to get a free domain, free website migration, and 24/7 customer support, please visit the link in the description box to get a 79% discount. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead to the official website, and it says right here to cancel your hosting plan, you simply need to turn off its renewal auto renewal. This way your hosting plan will not be automatically renewed. If you want to know how to turn off auto renewal, right, to do so, go to the billing section in your Edge panel. If you don't know where that is, you can go ahead to click on it, and if you're already logged in with your account, you're going to be able to be redirected there. And then in your Edge panel, and then click the arrow next to the service right here, next to the renew now. Okay, next click disable auto renewal, right, under the billing period. Okay, and then carefully consider the warnings about the possible risk, and if you still wish to disable auto renewal, continue with the process. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.